Do you want to know the fastest way of logging the temperature in your vaccine fridge? Now, this obviously isn't a vaccine fridge, but it's a good prop. I just did it. Did you see me do it? I just logged the temperature in my vaccine fridge. Oh, mate, I just did it again. Didn't even use my hands. Did you notice? Oh, goes again. Oh, this is brilliant. Look at this. It's the fastest magic trick. Secret, wireless temperature logger. What's happening is I've got a wireless temperature logger in this fridge, and every 10 seconds, it's transmitting the temperature off to a gateway. It's hidden over there, doesn't make for a good prop, and then that's uploading it to the cloud. Now, that's a lot of data, so what we tend to do is slow it down to once every 5 minutes. So we can automatically log the temperatures in your vaccine fridge every 5 minutes, and no hands. Look, poof, happened again. What it means is if anything goes wrong with this fridge, then I will be notified, you will be notified, whoever you want to be notified immediately. So it's not going to be that Monday morning someone wanders in and discovers that, oh, mate, that stinks, or in your case, your vaccine's a shot. It's all going to tell you instantly. How fast is that? Instantly. And if you want to report, forget about running reports. We'll email you the reports automatically, once a day, once a week, once a month, whatever you want. It'll be sitting there waiting for you instantly. How fast is that? And if you want an audit, not a problem. Just run a report anytime. It's there for you. You want to do it at home? Not a problem. Jump on your computer. You've got the results instantly. Doing it in the office? Hopefully you're doing it in the office while you're working at home. Well, it is COVID, so I guess you may be. But the point is, you've got the results everywhere. You've got notification as soon as something goes wrong, and all of that for doing nothing. Which means that you can go and get back to serving customers, or if you're at home, get back to doing whatever you're doing. The point is, you don't have to stress. It's all happening. It's happening instantly, and it's magic. Well, it's not magic, it's technology, but yeah, magic sounds cool. So that's it. The fastest way of logging the temperature in your vaccine fridge, done. That's it.